Game Composites is aiming to change the world of aerobatics, one plane at a time. Philip Steinbach formed the company in 2013 with the goal of producing the world's best aerobatic and touring aircraft. He leaned on his own flying experience to guide the design.
I started flying at age 14. Meanwhile, I've got a bit more than 5,500 hours in all sorts of things. Fly air shows since I'm 18 years old in various airplanes.
In designing the GameBird, Philip and his team were looking for several key items.
It starts with the pylon. Everybody has the same, pretty much like Cummins 6-cylinder. And then the next thing is you want nice handling, so you want easy to fly for a guy to, in an aerobatic sequence you're busy enough, you don't want to worry about the airplane. The next thing is safety. It's supposed to stay together ideally, that would be nice. And to do all those things, we sat down for a year and a half and designed and then built test parts, test frames, and then did all the testing and in parallel did the flight test to verify all the weird ideas we had.
At EAA AirVenture 2018, the GameBird was on display, showing its capabilities to over 600,000 visitors. In November of 2018, the first production GameBird was produced in Arkansas.
It follows all the long line of developments which came, over the last 100 years pretty much. And we started this project in 2013 with, this is my second aerobatic plane that I designed. And this is pretty much the wish list of flying and competing and teaching people aerobatics over this duration in various airplanes. I think it is a pilot's airplane. I really enjoy flying it. The other people who flew it so far said it does fly nice too. So we sold a few based on that opinion, which is good.
A steerable tail wheel, optimized landing gear, and precise roll rate control up to 400 degrees per second make the GameBird stand out from its peers. The design has incredible aerobatic capabilities, with start and stop maneuvers reminiscent of a radio-controlled aircraft. The GameBird is also designed for long cross-country flights that other aerobatic aircraft don't handle very well.
235 knots top speed, 200 knots cruise speed, around 1,000 miles range, a bit more than that. And it weighs 1,300 pounds, max takeoff weight is 2,200 pounds. It can carry 81 gallons of gas, 25 gallons for aerobatics, which is quite good. It's a solid hour of aerobatics. And it's got a baggage bay.
Stylish, modern, and optimized for the pilots, the GameBird is an aircraft that you may see many more of in the future. You can view more footage of the GameBird, including both ground and onboard footage of an entire aerobatic performance, on our YouTube channel, Airshow Stuff Videos. Also be sure to visit our website, where we have discussion forums, performer schedules, a photo gallery, and a new airshow calendar that makes it easy to find events near you.